Hey, it's Ben from Accurate. I got another knot video here for you. It's just a real basic one. I'm going to show you a knot that I've been tying, I think, most of my life. My dad showed it to me, and at that point it wasn't called a trilene knot. So let's look at the trilene knot. It's a basic knot. It's really good for freshwater fishing of all different types. It's better for like small lines. So when I'm saying small line, probably it's excellent for 2-pound to 30-pound. You could use it. When you get into the saltwater stuff, the jam, the uni knot, some of the other stuff, it works better. So here you go with the trilene knot. Here's my hook. Here's my line. I'm gonna go through the eye of the hook. I'm gonna grab the hook. I'm gonna pull, and I'm gonna go through the eye of the hook twice. I'm gonna pull this here. So I got my tag in and I got a loop. You see where the loop is? It's right where my fingers are. I'm gonna do 5 to 7 wraps up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 for me right now. I'm gonna go back through both the loops and I'm gonna grab it, start pulling. I'm gonna wet it and I'm gonna start pulling it down. And this is the basics with this knot. It's a super easy knot to tie, but it works really well, is to sit here and just cinch it right. So you gotta cinch it all the way down. A lot of times I'll use my fingernails to do that, make it a little bit easier. And basically, I'll get my knot puller. I'll go through and grab a couple wraps on this because it's not gonna kill me. And then go through and pull it all the way down. So there is a trilene knot for you. And that's what a trilene knot looks like. It's a really good knot. It's an easy knot to tie. You can teach your kids this knot. It's super easy. I've been tying it for a million years, but I use it mostly with freshwater fishing. So get out there, take your kids fishing. I hope you guys are healthy and safe. Make sure you spend some time on the water.